World leaders in the connected home, Legrand offers you the power to connect your home easily through the Legrand, Bitticino and Netatmo brands. Respond instantly to alerts and notifications and control security, comfort and energy-saving devices in your home by phone, tablet or voice command. Heating, video door entry, doorbells, cameras, blinds, lighting or sockets. Whether at home or away. It's now possible to create custom scenarios adapted to your own lifestyle and routine. With a single touch, turn off all the lights, close the blinds, turn down the heating, and open the gate when leaving your home. Through its With Netatmo program, Legrand is creating a coherent and scalable ecosystem within the Home Plus app suite. Home Plus Control and Home Plus Security. Choosing Legrand means guaranteed protection of your personal data and the confidence in knowing your investment and installation will benefit from the latest technological updates. And of course, you can rely on our extensive professional network to ensure a high-quality installation.